Well, good afternoon and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. As you can see here, we got the tree up. It's a big tree, look at this. I'm 5'10" and I don't even have the top of the tree on yet. The top of the tree is over here and I'm gonna put that up. But yeah, I have to do all the lights and the decorations and stuff, but really all day we've been organizing outside. Like I said, we're working on the back house shed. So we were getting a bunch of stuff from the garage into the shed and organizing all that. Let me show you. Okay, so everything that was in this shed, which was mostly holiday stuff and camping stuff, we have moved to this brand new shed that we just built a couple weeks ago, and we moved it all in here. So we have holiday stuff, Thanksgiving, Easter, New Year's, everything right there. Camping stuff right here. We're gonna keep this door closed all the time, but when we need our camping stuff, we can just open the door and get to it. And then we're planning to put all Christmas stuff right over here in this corner. And then this will be like miscellaneous things that are now in our garage that we just don't use all the time. And we could just pile everything up and, you know, at some point you decide whether you want to keep it or not, but at least it's gonna have a home because right now it's just sitting in our garage. Oh look, Sadie came to say hi. Hi, Sadie. So our whole goal with this is to basically clear out the entire garage so we can tear down some walls and make it a livable space because it's connected to our back house, and it will make our back house even bigger, which will be super cool for selling in the future, renting in the future, whatever we decide to do. So we need to get everything out of there. Most of the stuff will go into here or another shed that Matt's gonna get for like his tools and the lawnmower and stuff like that. But the rest of the stuff is like my crafting things, my gift wrapping stuff, that needs a home, and so we have an idea. So our idea is that we're gonna redo all the closets, and right now I have a closet inside, Matt has one inside, and then I have my studio that has half of my clothes, and then I have the back house closet for like winter sweaters and stuff like that. So I basically have like 3 places where my clothes are stored all throughout the house, and my goal is to get them in at least 2 places. So we wanna turn this back closet into where all my crafting stuff goes. So we're gonna make shelves for my boxes and places to put all my wrapping stuff so it's all contained into one little spot. But until then, I still have my clothes inside the closet. So we have just moved all the boxes into the room. So they're just kind of all scattered. And this is good. I'm gonna go through them and I'm gonna get rid of stuff and I'm gonna see what I need and don't need. It's probably good to go do this. I guess I'm doing a winter cleaning instead of a spring cleaning, but this is what we have been doing all day pretty much, as well as getting the tree inside the house. But we've gotten a lot done and we feel a little bit closer to our end goal, I guess. It's baby steps, but we'll get there. Oh, and please do excuse my mess right here. Those are all our tables and our chairs from Friendsgiving that we had at our house a week or maybe 2 ago, and then that's all like, I still have to wash those tablecloths and stuff. I just haven't had time to do that. So I kind of just threw them on top of the chairs. So, and also we're trying to clean out the garage, so we have nowhere for the chairs to go. So the chairs are just hanging out. Isn't it crazy? Like getting organized, you get even more messy, like that just things have to go places and you're like, what am I supposed to do with this stuff? Like it's just hanging out. So I think we're lucky that we have a back house that we can put stuff in, so it's not like in our actual home that we like sleep, live, and eat in, if that makes any sense. It's like an extra space that we're not using at the moment. No one's staying over at our house. They don't need to stay in the Murphy bed. Murphy bed, by the way, super fun. You got to get messy to get organized. So true. Now that you're up to date on the day, let me update you on the tree. So as you can see, we are missing some spots of light, and this has been this way for a couple years now, but I just love this tree so much. It's just such a nice tree, and it's so tall. I love it. And plus trees are expensive, so I just don't want to get a new one yet. So I'm going to show you what I do to fix it. And I actually like it a lot because, well, I'll show you.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la.
And there it is. I just take LED lights that we actually used for our wedding and hung them up over the dance floor. And I just love the 2-toned white lights. I love the brightness of the LED. I love the warmness of the old school tree lights. I just think it's so fun, and I think it makes it look like it's kind of twinkling. I just love it. So if you have a tree like we do, where only half the lights are working, just add in some other lights, whatever lights you want, and create your own tree. Man, we've just been go, go, go all day. I need to sit down, maybe watch a fun, cheesy Christmas movie, and of course, probably continue to decorate, because I still have boxes out. Well, I hope you have gotten some ideas or some inspiration or just gained some value from this Vlogmas today and my just daily activities and, you know, fixing problems as they come, such as the lights. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.